called, when I was texting, I wouldn't answer. I wouldn't I would say a couple words, then I hang up immediately. Because like I thought I was smothered when I was a child. I mean, my gosh, I love her so much. She's amazing, and she's done everything for me. And I wanted to be independent for once, and I couldn't. I realized that when I was in college, like I made some really bad decisions, and I never listened to my mom. And when I came back, I realized that I like my friends, I like the way that they treated me. But when I needed people the most, when I was like most at my lowest level, who was there? My mom, and she loved me unconditionally, no matter what I did, no matter what I said to her. And I can't turn away from her because she is that way for me. And I really appreciate her because she's just everything. And I really can't emphasize that word more. She's everything. Thank you, Mom, for loving me unconditionally. And I'm proud to be a mama's boy. Woo!
Yeah.